how to enable anonymous post on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then simply tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on Groups. From here, you can simply join any group. Now, once you have tapped on Join, simply tap on Visit. Now, there are two ways to enable anonymous posting on Facebook. Just tap on Write Something. Now, you can simply write a post. After this, you can see your name on top. Tap on the drop-down button. From here, you'll see the option of Post as an anonymous member. You can turn on the toggle. Now, once you have turned on the toggle, you will be able to post as an anonymous member on that specific group. Now, there's another step as well. For that, let's go back. Now, over here, you'll see the option of anonymous post. Tap on it. With that, you can write a post and then you will simply be able to post directly as an anonymous member on that specific group. So that's how you will simply be able to enable anonymous posting on Facebook. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.